Hey YouTube, today we're going to be doing some work on my chainsaw here, just blowing it out. I've been using it at my buddy's and bought a house to flip, so we had to take down some trees. And you know, this is really a homeowner model. Some of the trees we took down were ash, and they were so large I had to cut it on both sides. They were 30 inches in diameter in some places, and we split them with the log splitter, and the log splitter did great, although if you can see up by the wedge, I bent it. These are some big logs. I mean, these logs were just huge. It split it fine, but one of the logs had like a branch sticking out. It kind of wedged itself, and it forced the push plate to kind of come up, and it tweaked it. So we're going to have to heat that up and bend it down and reinforce it. But it didn't stop it from working. We just worked the rest of the day. We split about a cord of wood. So anyway, we're just going to clean this off and reinstall our new bar and chain. Blow that all out. Compressed air is really the best way to do it. I'm going to inspect the bar and see if the bar is in good shape. It took a beating, and my concern is with this bar. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it may have overheated, and because I lost all the paint and it was smoking a lot, I put on a different a new chain, and it was an Oregon chain, and I really should have just bought a Husqvarna chain, because the first chain worked really well, but got dull because I hit some metal in a tree. I'm going to inspect this bar and clean this really good. So the teeth up front, the sprocket spinning well. I just want to make sure I get all inside all these little holes, these little oiler holes. As you can see, this is plugged, so we got to blow these out to make sure that it gets lubed really well. One thing I like about this Husqvarna is it's got this air induction system where when you take the cover off, even after all that work, you can see there's hardly any sawdust in here, and it really helps keep the motor clean, and there's really very little sawdust in there at all. So the benefit is that the air cleaner here stays very clean, and less maintenance. So we'll put this back on, like so. It's a nice saw. It's a good saw to work on, very easy, runs well, and it's got this nice little fast locking mechanism here, so it's all set. Okay, we primed it 6 times. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.